So, do you want to know which is your law firm website's second most important page? Take a look at this clip where you will find out which page it is and you will gain insights and tips to improve its content. If you want to see more Justia videos on law practice and legal marketing, be sure to subscribe to our channel.
Second most important page is your attorney profile. Here's an example of Jim Butler's. Big difference here is you don't have to write as much text. 200 to 500 words is fine because you're going to be adding a bunch of additional content onto the page, your credentials and things like that. I like for the page name, the attorney name, I like the title tag to start off with the attorney name, then have the location, the practice of the lawyer. The lawyer does a lot of different practices, location of the lawyer, and then list out the practices that they do, practicing. And then I like to put the firm name at the end. Not necessity, I still think it's somewhat helpful. And I like for my URL to have the first name dash last name of the lawyer. All right, that's why I sort of like to have. Biography text, 200 to 500 characters, no big deal. Talk about why you like the law, why sort of what services you offer, why you're great. I personally like to start off, at least get in the first paragraph, my name again, right? I like to get, this case, Jim Butler. The first paragraph starts off with Jim Butler. You sort of see it there. And then add more stuff. You always should have your practice areas, your jurisdictions, your license, and education. You've got to have those 3 items. That's going to tie into your EAT as well, which is, from the expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness of your website and of your lawyers. So you got to have those 3 in, no matter what. But then I would add awards or professional associations. If you have videos, those good. Languages, work history, publications, speaking events, media mentions. Basically, all the stuff that Justia, Avo, Fine Law, Super Lawyers, all these guys do on their directories, you should put into your profile, right? You should do that. And then the final thing, don't copy your bio stuff onto these other directories. You want to rank for your name, at least for your name and the word lawyer, or your name, depending on how competitive it is. If you copy this and you put it on Justia and you put it on Avo and Fine Law, they're going to rank. We got strong sites. You don't want them beating you for your name, especially when they're in location. So don't do that part. If they've already done it, again, a lot of the times services will do this. They'll just grab the stuff off. Oh, we were helping you set up a profile. We grabbed it off your attorney profile on your site. Then go rewrite what you wrote if it's too hard to get changed there. Just rewrite it. Make sure, run it through Copyscape. But double check your profiles. This happens a lot more than, a whole lot. And here's an example. This is Jim Butler, lawyer. Now I tried Jim Butler, but there's like a basket. Jimmy Butler plays for Miami Heat. Everybody knows that's to be the #1 Jim Butler. But here's Jim Butler, lawyer, and you can see he's first here. He even has a sidebar. I don't always recommend Google Business Profiles for individuals, but sometimes you can have it if you want. I'm searching for California. If I was in a different city or state, I might get different answers here. So I'm not saying that Jim Butler is always going to be first because these results are localized. But for me, in California, he's first, which is good. You want to at least be first for your name with the word lawyer or attorney in your city. At least for that. So anyways, this is Jim Butler, lawyer. And look, that's a lot of control of that page he has. And then there's the Justia lawyer directory. There's some other lawyers there. There's his LinkedIn profile. His website profile should be first.
Thanks for watching. Now you know what Google considers high-quality content for your attorney profile pages. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did enjoy it, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more law practice and legal marketing videos. See you in our next clip.